Hello, I want to welcome you to this video series on military discharge upgrades. I'm your attorney, Alan Edmunds, and I have offices across the United States to help active duty military and retired military with a variety of actions that are taken against them. In this case today, it was a request for a discharge review and an upgrade. My office filed a request on behalf of an individual that got a general under honorable separation, and he felt that it was unjust, and he wanted to improve his the characterization and the type of discharge so that he could improve his life, because there are certain opportunities, many of you know, that you are precluded from enjoying because of the type of discharge. You may get a bad conduct discharge, you may get an OTH other than honorable, or a general under honorable, and at each stage there are different benefits that you have or that you lose depending upon the type of clearance. My name's Alan Edmunds. I've been practicing military law for over 45 years, and we have offices coast to coast to help you. And we are in Washington, D.C., North Carolina, Florida, Texas, and California. And I'm happy to share with you a recent result from the Department of the Navy, the Discharge Review Board. I personally took this case to a hearing, and it was about an individual that was worthy, in my opinion, of improving his life and changing his life by upgrading his discharge. He got a under honorable conditions, a general discharge. He had served, I'm reading the notes here, forgive me, but he had been in the service for 4 years, 24 months. He had, his highest level of education was 10th grade, and he enlisted at age 19. The highest rank that he achieved was an E4. And he came to me because he got a general under honorable, and it was preventing him from moving forward in his career and his life. And we filed a request for a upgrade. The request was done pursuant to the regs, and then we went on to a hearing. And I'm happy to report that at the hearing, his discharge was elevated, and he received a honorable. And it can happen to you as well as it happened to him. The important aspect to remember is these cases are hard. There's a lot of evidence that has to be submitted. There's a trial notebook that has to be submitted. So don't think that you should try this yourself. You can, but the results may not be favorable. So this individual came to me. We filed a request for an upgrade, and we are happy to report that he got it. But let me tell you a little bit about the case. He had in his 4-year enlistment an Article 86 for unauthorized absence. He had an Article 92 for failure to obey orders, and he had an Article 107. What he had done was called gun decking, or falsifying maintenance records. Actually, the work was done, and the board was so impressed with his character and presentation at the hearing that they upgraded his discharge to honorable. And it happened to him, it can happen to you. I've been helping people upgrade their discharges for over 40 years, and I can help you. If you call me at 800-481-2526, we'll get to work immediately on upgrading your discharge. Upgrade your discharge, you change your life. You get more benefits, and opportunities open up that you never had. So again, this is attorney Alan Edmunds with the Edmunds Law Firm. We're at 800-481-2526. Don't think you can't win with a discharge upgrade request. You can if you call my office. Don't go into these hearings by yourself. Take an experienced military lawyer such as myself, and we can do the very best job we can to change your life. Thank you very much.